Hey everyone, I'm Katie Talbot, Vocal Lab Collective, and I'm here to help you sing pop and sound pop. If you checked out my How to Sing Country video, this is gonna be completely different because pop music is completely different than country music. I actually want to start out with an example on this video that I'm gonna expand on. So I know you all know the tones and I, Dance Monkey. Love this song and I love the texture in her voice. So let's hear it and then we'll go from there.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Just right there, okay? I'm gonna show you how to get that tone. Not that you're gonna sound like this the whole time, but what I love about her is she has some vocal fry, which we talked about in country, but then she really gets into that edge coordination really well, which is huge for pop. Edge equals pop. It's that This is something that Tori Kelly uses like crazy. Post Malone has some of it in his voice. Shawn Mendez, you name it, they're using edge because there's that vibe when it comes to that edge. Maybe there's an underlining of breathy tone, maybe vocal fry, but I'm gonna show you some exercises to do with edge. And we're gonna kind of go through that range that she was at right there. I want you to do this with me. And it's just an Okay, you're engaging that pharyngeal right there. I might have a little bit more of an attitude on me because pop just brings out this vibe and this just, I don't want to say arrogance, but there is something about pop that's just so, you hear a great song when it comes to pop and you're just like, all right, I'm going to take over the day. And I love that about pop music. I love that about music in general because it is the universal language and it encourages so many people. Again. I'm actually going higher. So right there. So if we go they say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. It's leaning into that edge. It's not, they say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. It's not that. That's going to be more theater. Pop is just literally popping in your face. Whether it's the writing, whether it's the melody, or it's the tone. Okay, so again, what I love about her voice is she has that underlining of that fry, which makes her texture so great to listen to. Even with this is a very staccato sounding song. That's the next thing we're going to talk about. So she's really covering it all in this song. So again, we just covered edge. Now it's a staccato. Staccato's all over in the pop music. That it's very quick, okay? So this is going to be really huge when it comes to controlling your voice because we can go a little bit more melodic, which is fine, but sometimes if we're not working staccato, it's like that hit for our voice, the little hits, getting those little, in particular, coordinations in our voice. So again, it's not completely opposite of country. You know, if I were to do that in country, they say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. It's going to be slower. Definitely nice for sure, okay, but it's not pop. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. It's quick. It's quicker. It's more that dance. Of course, it's Dance Monkey, which is why it's a great example of what to do with your voice. We've talked about edge coordination, that and then we talked about the staccato, those quick hits, little punches. Next is really important is the articulation. If you notice, she does this, and then I just am showing you how. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. It's literally hyper-focusing on some of the consonants or the vowels and really doing this very articulately. A great, great legend to listen to when it comes to this articulation, Michael Jackson. He's the king of it, in all honesty. But listen to his articulation, the staccatos, the edge. You work those all together in the melody of the song that you've written, or whatever cover song that you want to work on, and you're going to be able to sound pop. All right, again, I'm Katie Talbot with Vocal Lab Collective. Would love to hear from you guys how these videos are doing for you, and I hope you're ready to sing some pop. Bye.